Look at that.
Come here. He's so shy.
Come here.
I think he's just being shy.
Oh, you go to the other side.
This is adorable. My mom had a dog. My mom had a dog.
Where's the great job? I like him.
Armando. Hello, Armando.
Face.
Hello. You want to visit
This next to you? You want this next to you? You must be a little shy. Are you a little shy?
What, honey?
Can you snuggle? Can you snuggle with this guy? There you go. You're a beautiful. Gonna kind of just relax with that?
Yes, I do.
That was with the spring.
Oh, I think you need something there. Okay, a med request. So she must be.
Yeah.
Let's wait on hers.
Okay.
Actually, I'll do it real quick. I won't touch her. That just means that someone noticed something going on and she needs to have.
Oh, I take that tag off.
Yep.
Well, look at you laying up there.
That was too clean. I thought it was open. Oh, reaction right off the bat. That's what we want.
That's fabulous. I've never actually been right when they go in their kennel.
Now, I have no idea how they've been stored or what smells, but they don't smell bad.
No. And then I think this big guy could have another small one.
Okay.
Don't you think?
Absolutely.
Hey,
You want another little cuddle bug?
this one's trying to undress it.
Look at
It's pulling
Oh,
on the clothing.
hilarious.
Oh.
These
That
are
one- That
fabulous.
looks just like a little version of that.
Yeah, I love it.
Now, it can have a whole litter. Yeah,
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, you're good.
Look here, Angel. Look at there. You want that baby? You want that baby up here with you?
Look at this guy on the bottom going nuts. And this,
That is
this one's trying
fabulous.
to take his clothes off or something.
Oh, excuse me.
Did we put one where these kittens?
No.
Really goofballs.
Oh, look at that face.
Oh, she's got to come and say, hey, what?
Can I hold her?
Yeah. There you
Come
go.
here, precious. Come here.
So if you want to put that guy in there.
Hello, my love.
What a sweet pea.
Oh, I already had one, but that's fine.
That's all right.
Hey, it's a friend. There you go.
It's really sweet. I'll have to send you pictures because, the morning time they're getting up, they're having breakfast, their kennels are getting cleaned. So obviously, they take cat naps in the afternoon, and I'll have to get your info and send you a picture when they. Are you gonna eat that fur, you goofball?
So I gotta clean it first.
Yeah.
Oh,
that
look
is
at
precious. Precious.
Look at this one. See, I don't know which one I'm gonna take.
Yeah, but I love to snuggle.
When they're two cats, yeah, on the bed.
Oh, look at the black kitties.
Oh my God, this kitten is ridiculous.
Oh, you are so beautiful.
I think it was like Siamese or what. They got that kind of weird look.
And so, oh my God, who are you?
You are the cutest. Look at that little
Look
face.
at that.
Look at
Is that not the sweetest?
Oh, say, I want to do that.
What's that light about?
Well, they have some fun stuffed animals and we're gonna is that okay if we put some in the kennels? But this is so you can see, especially the kitties get real snuggly with them.
I'll do the video and you.
Yeah, here. I'll open up the kennels here. Let's do her. See, she's got a med card. So let's come back to her.
Okay.
Okay, we'll come back to this one. This is Sheila, also one of our most amazing volunteers. But these two don't have one. Do you guys want to,
There's some big ones, some little
Oh, I know.
ones.
Isn't that funny?
I'm talking about
Oh,
this
yeah. Do you guys want a little stuffed animal?
Do we want to take the tag off
thing.
of
Yeah,
it?
take them off.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get that.
Hi. Do you guys want a stuffed animal? Oh, my goodness. You okay? Oh, you're shy. That's okay.
Actually,
I'll help you.
Give them two.
Yeah, each one gets one.
You want to come snuggle?
There's
Oh,
a
yeah.
Care Bear.
And see, these guys are a bonded pair, and so it looks like they're a little shy.
Look at that.
Oh, you're sweet as
Now you have a toy.
D1 has kittens with
No animals? Okay. Let's go find these guys.
Okay.
him.